At the Todd Art Gallery, history came to life as students, faculty, and members of the community gathered to celebrate America's semi-quincentennial. In honor of the upcoming 250th anniversary of the United States, the American Democracy Project hosted a hands-on printing press event, recreating how the preamble to the Declaration of Independence was first shared.
So today we are using a replica Franklin press to print copies of the Declaration of Independence in kind of the typeset and the actual workload it would have taken to print them. We're doing it today because it is the anniversary of Evacuation Day, which is a little-known holiday, but it's the anniversary of when the British fled Boston. It was kind of considered the true beginning of America winning.
But the press itself holds a history rooted right here at MTSU. Built in the 1990s by alumni and craftsmen, it was designed after the presses used by founding father Benjamin Franklin. It stands as a lasting connection between the university and the foundations of American democracy.
In Todd today, we've had an endless stream of people come in to print the preamble to the Declaration of Independence on our wonderful replica 18th century printing press.
From setting type by hand to inking and pressing each page, participants experienced firsthand the detail and effort required to produce even a portion of the document.
So the first part of printing is setting type, and all of those pieces that are set in there are set one tiny piece of type at a time. After that, it gets locked up into this press bed, and everything is, spell checked and proofread, all those fun things. And then it's ready to print.
Events like this go beyond the classroom, bringing both campus and community together.
I think this is really important for students because they get to actually touch history and understand it, which is very different than just reading about it in a textbook. And that kind of understanding and making connections to things is, really kind of magical and amazing.
And for many, that hands-on connection makes history feel more real than ever. For MTSU, I'm Carly Sutton.